ABC Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
The dog days of summer are very much around Acadiana this time of year, as temperatures topped out at 95 this afternoon, feeling up around 103 to 104 during the peak hours. So if you are outside, maybe just enjoying it by the pool, make sure you still are drinking plenty of water, as you got to stay hydrated as temperatures continue to climb, as it doesn't take all that long for you to start to feel a little lightheaded or maybe start getting some of those headaches if you're not properly hydrated during this extreme heat. And it looks like it is here this day for our Sunday, but there is some other changes coming our way. First, let's look across the country, and we can see that we have had some scattered showers move across the East Coast. Those are now pushing out into the Atlantic. We did have a few areas of severe weather now heading towards the Memphis area, and that's where it's all going to stay. It's going to stay up to our north, but eventually there is a frontal boundary beginning to set up back to our north and northwest. That'll slowly make its way down and across Acadiana for our Sunday and could produce a few scattered showers and even a few thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon. But no rain to talk about for your Saturday. We just had a mix of sun and clouds and very hot temperatures. As I mentioned, 95 was the high. Right now, though, we're sitting at 81. Dew points at 74, so a little on the sticky side, making it feel closer to 86 if you're outside right now. Winds have died down a little bit out of the southwest at about 7. Those will go nearly calm through the overnight hours, setting up a very warm and sticky night. You can see we're dry here in Acadiana, but maybe one or two isolated showers move in between Shreveport and Monroe during the overnight hours, but that kind of falls apart. And so I'm not expecting any rain to wake up tomorrow morning, but through the afternoon as the front gets closer to us, you can see by 2 o'clock, maybe some scattered showers developing across the northern portion of Acadiana. And you do see a little bit of those darker shades showing up. So we will have the possibility for some of those heavier downpours, maybe some gusty winds, and the possibility for some small hail with this. And then you can see a very narrow band of scattered showers and a few thunderstorms right out ahead of this front as it makes its way through during the afternoon and early evening hours. This is around 5:30, so you just might want to have that umbrella in the car if you're out and about doing some errands tomorrow afternoon in case you get caught under one of those showers. The system should push out into the Gulf heading into Monday morning, so we'll be dry to start off the work week and should have more sunshine heading into Monday afternoon as the front continues to remain to our south. But on the backside of that, area of high pressure will be building in from the north, bringing a northerly flow, helping to bring some drier air in. So you're going to notice it will not be as humid, as the feel-like temperatures will be actually very close to the actual temperature. So you can see it won't feel that bad to be outside. Still very hot as we are into the first part of June. So as for how much rainfall we could see with tomorrow's system, most areas only picking up about 1/10 to 1/4 of an inch of rain. But you do see if you get one of those heavier showers over top of you, you might get up to about 1/2 inch. But it is some very much needed rainfall in the area. As you can see with us shaded in the yellow, many of us are in that abnormally dry condition as far as our drought status, as we're about 3 to 4 inches behind where we should be for this time of year, and that has to do a lot with the dry May we had. So any little bit of rain that we can get will be very beneficial, kind of letting this down, as we do already have one parish under a burn ban, as things have been very dry lately. But for the rest of your Saturday, warm and muggy, clear, maybe a stray shower late, but we'll keep that at 10%. 76 for the overnight low. And for your Sunday, more of the same. Heat and humidity through the afternoon, 94, but then we begin to see that 40% chance for scattered showers and a few thunderstorms, some of which could be on the stronger side, but not expecting anything widespread as far as severe weather. 20% chance for the rain on Monday. Little better rain chances Tuesday, Wednesday as the front makes its way back over the region. Temperature still in the lower 90s. And heading towards next weekend, we really start to dry out. Rain chances down to just about 10% towards the end of the work week. And you do see those temperatures climb up a little bit, but it is just that time of the year. It's summer, it's hot, it's humid, with a chance for a few afternoon showers.
Don't remind us, we know.
But a better chance for the rain maybe tomorrow afternoon.
I'm not a meteorologist, and I could step 2 seconds outside and know that it's
yeah, it
super
really
hot.
is that point of time where I think I can just kick the legs up and just let you do it.
Oh yeah, perfect. I'll take over. No worries. Thanks, Eric. Still to come on